Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to do chorded or chorded effect. So let's start. First, let's go on Audacity to File, then press Open File. Then you can find any file you want. I'm gonna use Klasky Supo for an example. Now I have to press Open. Okay, so now that I pressed Open, I now have to use this tool and just drag it like this and like that. Okay, next go to effects and then scroll all the way down to until you see IL Vocodex demo. Then you can add the sound. So you can go to select preset, go to immediate, go press chord, and here's all the chord sound effects. So now next, just press apply, and then you can just play the video. Let's listen to it. Really good. So see you guys in the next video.